My youngest daughter is 2 years old and she already has waist length hair. And to be honest, her regimen has played a huge role in this. So in today's video, I want to share her super easy 3-step regimen that keeps her hair retaining moisture and most importantly, retaining length. So the first step in her regime is wash day. Now I wash her hair weekly, so once a week, and typically her wash day lasts for 45 minutes, maximum 1 hour, and this is including styling. So her wash day consists of two parts. The first part is to shampoo, the second part is to deep condition and detangle. Now that her hair is much longer, I like to shampoo her hair in 4 sections. This just allows me to really get to her scalp really well and also gives me more control and makes me less overwhelmed when I am dealing with her hair. So the second part is to deep condition and detangle her hair. I like to do this in sections and then I start with my fingers first. So I finger detangle and then I move on to a detangling brush, work my way from the ends to the roots, and this really ensures that there's minimal breakage and of course she's retaining length. Now with detangling my daughter's hair, it literally takes me 15 minutes to detangle her whole head. Her hair isn't tangle prone, her hair is very easy to detangle, so I'm able to get through this quite quickly. I also detangle her hair in about 6 to 8 sections. So when I'm done detangling her hair, I like to plait her hair afterwards. This keeps her hair in place and prevents it from tangling back up. So once I'm done plaiting all sections, I like to keep the deep conditioner in her hair for about 5 to 10 minutes while I give her a bath. And once we're done with bath time, I then rinse out the deep conditioner from her hair. Now, for those that are wondering if the deep conditioner is able to be rinsed out well, yes, I'm able to rinse out deep conditioner well. I take my time at this point to make sure that everything comes out. So then once I'm done, I wrap her hair in a microfiber towel just to absorb as much of the water from her hair because I don't want to moisturize her hair when it's wet. I like to moisturize when her hair is damp. So I wrap her hair in a microfiber towel and then I cream her body, put her clothes on, and then we get to moisturizing. We continue. If you're struggling to create an effective regime for your little one, you're not sure where to start, what is needed in an effective regime, I've got you. Click the link below this video in the description box to get access to your free guide that will help you create an effective regime for your little one. So the step 2 is, as I mentioned, to moisturize and to style. Now I like to moisturize her hair in layers using a leave-in conditioner, a cream, and then finally a butter to help seal in all of that moisture so that she can retain moisture for longer. Now guys, please note that as you can see from this video, by the way, this is an older video, just in case you're wondering why her hair is so much shorter here. It's an older video. I didn't have a recent video of me moisturizing her hair. So basically, as you can see, her hair is still in plaits. So what I usually do is once I get her out of the bath, dress her up and everything, I keep her hair in those plaits. And when I'm moisturizing, I take out one plait at a time. So I don't create any new parts or anything. I take out one plait at a time, moisturize, plait it back, and then move on to the next one. This just helps things move so much quicker when I do it this way. Another thing to note is that when it comes to moisturizing her hair, I moisturize her hair once a week and that's only on wash days. So I don't moisturize in between, I only moisturize on wash days. Now her hair is able to retain moisture until her next wash day. So when it comes to styling in general, I really don't do much. As you can tell from my other videos with my children, I keep it super, super simple. So simple protective styles like plaits and twists. But also, for example, if we're going to church or if we have a photo shoot, going to visit friends, just going somewhere where I want to do something different to her hair, I will style it into maybe a high puff, 2 puffs, bantu knots, for example, or I may even leave it out. So I'll do like a braid out, for example. But majority of the time, her hair is in plaits, and this really helps with, moisture retention. It also helps a lot to minimize tangles and breakage, and helps her to retain good length. So the third step in my daughter's regimen is nighttime protection. So at night, she wears a bonnet to sleep. She's at the age where she keeps her bonnet on all night. So I let her wear a bonnet to sleep, and that helps with moisture retention. It helps minimize frizz, helps minimize breakage, and of course, it also helps with length retention. For those of you that have older children, click the link on the bottom left hand corner of this screen for my daughter who's 6, her tailbone length hair regimen. In this video, I share everything from wash day right through to moisturizing and styling her hair.